Hey guys, Mr. Haque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Spigen Quick Charge 3.0 car charger. Costs you £7.99. Recommended for iOS, Android, Quick Charge 3.0. My phone is Quick Charge 2.0, but it's backward compatible obviously. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this box, tiny box. Let's have a look. How are we going to do this, guys? There you go. Nice cut like that. Bam. Oh, that's fucking tiny, guys. Wasn't expecting that. I'm really happy about that now, because my last one was very tiny. So when I closed basically in my car, the money tray where you press it, whatever you want to call it, ashtray, money tray, that bit there, it's just closed. When it's closed off, it's nice and smooth. And I have one in now where it can close with it because it's tiny, and I believe that's about the same size, so it should be good still. And I won't be using this one as much, only when I need to charge my phone. So yeah, it helps you keep the appearance. Oh, that's nice, guys. Fucking hell, I'm liking it, bros. Okay, so you got the normal connector there. Oh, that's fucking sick. That's like a button. Can you hear it? That's pretty cool. Okay, so input 12 volts to 24 volts. You're going to get 12 volts per usually from your car. Quick Charge 3.0 obviously. So Quick Charge 3.0 is 12 volts at 1.5 amps. Quick Charge 2.0 is 9 volts at 1.8 amps. And then it also does a output 2, which is 5 volts at 2.4 amps, which is iPhone Quick Charge, I believe. 6.2 volts at 2 amps. Yeah. And then it supports, yeah, so only one port is Quick Charge 3.0, which is the bottom one obviously, and it's green. It's got the Quick Charge logo there, and this lights up, and so does a ring around this. Let me try to see if I can show you a picture of it. £7.99. Let's see if it's got a picture. Okay. Oh yeah, you got the blue light there, and then a ring lights. I believe the ring lights up as well. I'm pretty, yeah, it does. Can you see the USB lighting up, and then you got a ring around it. But these are all taken in the day, which is pretty stupid. Should show you at night as well, but yeah. Oh well, it looks good. It's pretty good, and it does the job very well. So I'm really happy about that, especially by the size, because the one's about the same size. That was one of my main issues. I'm happy I found this. I'm really happy. I'll leave a link to this in my description. Not sure what that is. A bit of dirt or something. Don't even, oh no, that's peeling off. I don't know what that is. Yeah, really happy with that. Very good product, and I really like the material. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out more of the videos. I'll see you guys.